For this particular problem, we're going to find the line that contains the point 4, 2 and is perpendicular to this particular line here, which means we need to find the slope for this line, and then we can find our perpendicular line's slope. So we need to solve for y here. So how about if we subtract 4x from both sides to isolate our variable? We'll subtract 4x, and then we also have to divide by negative 6. So subtracting 4x from both sides, we get negative 6y equals negative 4x plus 5. Now let's divide by our negative 6 all the way across our entire equation. That gives us y equals, if we reduce this here, the double negative is positive, and dividing each by 2, you get 2/3 x. And then that will be added to the negative 5/6. The slope here is 2/3, so that means that the slope for our perpendicular line is going to be the reciprocal of that, 3/2, but it also has to be opposite signs, so it's actually going to be negative 3/2. That means we're going to use this right here for our m in our point slope form. And then this point that we want it to contain will be the x one, so 4 will go here, and the y one, so 2 will go right in here. And so that gives us y minus 2 equals negative 3/2 times x minus the x here, which is 4. Now we can distribute. Distributing that, you get negative 3/2 x, and negative times negative will be a positive, and that ends up being 6. That's equal to y minus 2. Now if we add 2 to both sides, we end up with a final equation of y equals negative 3/2 x plus 8.